Hello G, a warm welcome from Jigisha. In today's video, let's prepare a painting canvas board. Now that we all are in lockdown and can't go out to purchase canvas, let's make these from the comfort of our homes. Well, there are several ways of making canvas panel, and in today's video, let's try to figure out which is the best way. One way is to cut out a square at the corner of the cloth, and this can be done at all the four corners of the cloth so that 4 square pieces will be out, and then the sides can be folded and pasted over the cardboard in this way. But the problem with this method is that over a period of time threads may come out of the canvas and this will give a shabby look. So I won't recommend this method. The other method is cutting out triangular pieces from all the 4 corners of the cloth. First we'll mark such as slanting lines at the corner, and then we can cut these triangular pieces. After cutting so, again the 4 sides of the cloth can be folded and pasted on the cardboard in this way. But with this, the problem is that a portion of the cardboard will still remain open and the corner will get exposed. So this is again going to reduce the durability of our canvas. So again, I won't recommend this method also. What I will suggest you people is, don't cut the cloth at all. That's not going to solve our purpose. So what we have to do is, we have to fold the sides of the cloth over the cardboard without cutting the corners. However, if we fold it this way, then this fold is going to appear even from the front view of the canvas. A part of the fold will pop out, and this is not done. So let's understand how to make homemade, handmade painting canvas board in the correct way. Without further ado, let's start with today's DIY video. Grab a piece of hard cardboard. You can also use hard covers of registers or notebooks or old books, and cut it out in the desired shape like this. We made a round canvas last time. Today we'll make a rectangular one. So our rectangular cutout of cardboard is ready, and now let's take a piece of cloth. Now you can definitely use buckram cloth for this purpose, but as I mentioned earlier that I'm stranded in lockdown and can't even order this cloth online, so I'm going to use a piece of thick cotton cloth as my canvas sheet. Now let's align our scale with one edge of the cloth and draw a line. Then align one edge of the scale with the other edge of the cloth and again draw another line. Now these 2 lines are going to act as a reference, and place the cardboard sheet exactly matching with these 2 lines. And now grab your scale and match it with the other end of the cardboard this way and draw a line. Similarly, place the scale on the other side, again matching with the edge of the cardboard, and draw another line. Now let's cut the cloth along these 2 lines with a pair of scissors. Meanwhile, if you are interested in seeing how I prepared the round canvas, then I'll mention its link in the description box. Do visit it. Alright, the cutout of our cloth is ready, and now let's paste it on the cardboard. For this, let's apply glue to the cardboard piece. You can use any glue, any strong glue. I have used a fabric glue for this purpose. Let's cover the complete surface of the cardboard with glue, and then using any piece of the remaining cardboard, cut out such piece and then use it for spreading the glue on our cardboard, and do this evenly. Now this is ready to be pasted. Place this cardboard piece matching with the two lines. Align it properly with the marked two lines. And now the main part, how we are going to fold this cloth sheet on the cardboard. Watch it properly. See, we needed to fold one side of the cloth onto the cardboard and then fold the corner inwards into a triangular fashion. Let's look at this again. Fold the corner of the cloth forming a triangular shape